style, except we're not at a restaurant, we in a house. It's very simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so give it a thumbs up.
Ankle presidential zealous in the wing. Lil' Scully pimpin', yeah, he got some player ways. But the way your shit hit me like dope.
Alright y'all, so for this crab dip, you're going to need some cream cheese, some mayo, your crab, and I used a different couple of cheeses for this. I'll leave it in the description box below. But right now, as you see, I'm taking my cream cheese, basically the whole block of cream cheese, and I'm going to add in a 1/3 cup of mayo, and I'm going to mix this together.
Young nigga from the projects, we'll spin your block in a Benji. I do this shit for the family. Real niggas understand me. Boulevard neighborhood, 4th Ward where they find me. Chopping dope like karate. Use the money for my ID. Play with that girl R. Kelly. Peeling my drink, Bill Cosby. Them niggas know not to try me, cause the mafia behind me. Kill tech right beside me. Came up from a hot box to a drop top, it's a hobby. She sucking dick, yeah, she love me. Relax, relax. Relax, relax, nigga be cool, chill, relax, 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 relax.
Now the consistency of this should be creamy once you done mix together your mayo and your cream cheese. Next, you want to season it. I'm taking my Adobe seasoning, some black pepper, some onion powder. I'm going to use a little bit of garlic powder, not a lot. Some Creole seasoning, my Adobe seasoning, some cayenne pepper, just to spice it up just a little bit. You don't have to use cayenne, but I did. And some parsley flakes, and we just gonna mix this all together.
Nigga be cool, chill, relax, 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 relax.
Now it's time to add in our crab meat. I'm using this premium hand-picked crab meat that I got from BJ's. And once I add in all my crab meat, I'm going to season it again using all the seasonings that I used before.
I'ma keep it on me if you got it on him, and it's up, it can only go one way. Houseway, you won't get it if you didn't earn it. Call you big homie, we never heard of you. I'm surrounded by robbers and murder. In my hoodie, they witness a murder. See the work getting dirty and dirty, but my team is clean detergent. Black lemon squeeze on my person. In the oven too long, burnt them. Baby, I ain't the average civilian. In the street, it get a little tricky. In the track, come and give me a little quickie. They kick out my place of business. 60 crib, lonely troop and nil. You probably shit the wrong way. Before you get a pill, my nigga, you better relax. 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 Chill. Relax.
Next, it's time to add in our spinach. I'm using about 2 handfuls of baby spinach. And after this, we ready to spread our crab dip. I'm going to use a cast iron skillet, and you want to make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Now this crab dip should only take about 20 minutes to cook.
Now you getting upset when you start thinking about it. I'm getting upset when I start thinking about it too.
I am layering my crab dip because I want it to be very cheesy. So after I done spread my first layer of crab dip, I'm going to add my cheese in next. Then I'm going to spread my second layer and do the same thing again. Add in my cheese and we ready to put this bad boy in the oven.
She know I'm a low, pull up blue tone. She know I'm a low, give a blue roll. Look with my chain, I made baby girl two-tone. Try to fight it, but this shit is too strong. Christian D on my tennis shoe and cologne. Keep it on me, no, I cannot move wrong. Feel I've been on this road for too long. Feel I've been on this road for too long. I lie? Why would I lie? Why would I lie? Why would I lie to you? Why would I try? Why would I try? Why would I try? You need me to make you cry. Now you getting upset when you start thinking about it. I'm getting upset when I start thinking about it too. Oh shit coming out your mouth, you don't even really wanna do. Now you getting upset when you start thinking about it. I ain't home like I used to be trying to get pride from the street, but you told me that life get exact. I can't do this alone or with just anybody. Bad influence the first to put you in a car. If you leave me, your new nigga send a hit, rob him. Baby got cake, frosted. Give her that box, just don't double cross me. I don't do the trust shit often. I don't. Ran off on the plug, we often. Supposed to listen, but you keep jit talking. Only thing on my mind is profit. You trying to take care of my daughter. Why would I lie?
Now to top it off, I'm gonna just sprinkle some paprika, my Adobe seasoning, and some parsley flakes, cause we fancy, of course. And it's ready to put in the oven.
You need me to make you cry. Now you getting upset when you start thinking about it. I'm getting upset when I start thinking about it too. Oh shit coming out your mouth.
Baby, we done got some crab dip, some restaurant style crab dip. We gonna plate this real cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, tell me what y'all want to see me cook next, and just stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all for watching.
Down bad, but I ain't know it. We tried our best not to show it. I'm in the same boat with you, gotta keep rolling. Script got a bitch into your deep throne. Pay attention, afford to stay focused. Tryna stop staying at my wrist, but to keep glowing. But it really mean nothing at the end of the day. Do it for homies, no longer here.